Hey there, today will be your lucky day. I will show you a quick and easy way to download Amazon product videos in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Open up your web browser and navigate to Amazon website. Once you are on the Amazon website, find the product page containing the video you want to download. Now, right click on the video player to bring up the context menu. Here you can see the video available. Now, all you've got to do is click on the three dots available on the top right corner of the Google. And this will open the browser developer tool. You can just go and click on extensions. In extensions, there will be two options provided to you. Please click on Chrome Web Store. Inside the Chrome Web Store, you will see search bar address available there. Now type Video Downloader Professional. After you type, please click on enter. Once the whole Video Downloader Professionals are loaded, please click on the top one and click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension. Now go back to the video you want to download. And here you can see the green download option available in the top now after you downloaded the Video Downloader Professional. And you can simply click it to download your video. The video downloader will process the URL and generate download links for the video in different formats and qualities. Choose your preferred options and click on the download. Depending on your browser setting, the video will either start downloading automatically or prompt you to save it to your device. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.